left the shed at about 5 or 6 p.m. About 5:48 p.m. Well, no, actually, it just turned 5. Not too long ago, actually. Let's check. 5:30. Gotcha. Well, we got a really cool surprise. I got a really, really cool surprise for us here. So on our iPad right here, we have something called the railroad crossing. Let's turn that on. And yeah, we got the railroad crossing connected to a TP-Link Wi-Fi router. Oh, there goes my cat. Well, right here, if we take a look, I'm not in the shed, nor is anything in the shed even on to be able to do this. I could just... So you can see right here, we got it. All without even having to touch anything inside the shed. That means my dog decided to do his business right over there. I can go over somewhere right here. Oh god, I could smell it. Yeah, we could go over here, turn on the railroad crossing. Anywhere we can start this thing. So we can go over here. We could just, right here, we can just, and it's super fun to do. I even have this connected to Alexa. So if I tell Alexa, railroad crossing on, the railroad crossing will turn on. Also, you may notice that, you know, these lights right here aren't turning on. That's because I got them disconnected. I don't really plan to have the signal up for very much longer. When the temperature starts regularly going below, you know, like 20, I'm going to change out the backlights on the back of this signal right here. The backlights, the incandescent ones, with those ones right there, and wire them up properly. Because those lights over there are done much better. It has like its own mounting bracket and such, rather than this one right here. But yeah, if we go into the shed, which I haven't even been in, it's for a couple days now, actually. Oh no, I installed it yesterday. Never mind. So you can put down the iPad right there. Yeah, we got ourselves a really nice smart plug. It's a Tapo, TP-Link Tapo smart plug. I believe it's the A125 Bluetooth setup one. So as you can see here, it's just, you know, the standard thing. The plug, instead of it just being plugged in directly, I made it so it's toggleable. And the switches are just on. They can be off, they can be on, whatever I want them to be. So if at like 2 or 3 in the morning, I want the lights, the railroad crossing lights to turn on, well, they could turn on. Also, look at that. I don't know if you could tell, but my cats are having a little bit of quarrel over there. Yeah, you can see my cat Jules right there. He's having fun with his brother, Tuna. Isn't that fun? Anyways, yep, completely standard stuff, as you can see there. So all I gotta do for this is just also, to me, it sounds like the bell has been having some issues lately. It just doesn't seem to be keeping a normal beat. So pretty soon I'm gonna get a new adapter for this. Instead of what we have now, I'm gonna put a new adapter in. I'm probably going to put it right here. Though I haven't really decided on what I'm gonna do with the new adapter, but I'm definitely gonna put a new adapter on because this is simply not enough power to run the railroad crossing. And when I finally get this, next paycheck, I promise you guys, next paycheck, this will be coming in the mail. So I can get the actual railroad crossing switch to come. So, oh well. Well, that's all I just wanted to share with you guys. A remote railroad crossing. So, let's go take some shots. And me and my friend yesterday went outside and we checked all of the places where, you could connect, well, how far you could hear it, the railroad crossing. Based on a map of my street, you can, what does the cat want? Hello, Mr. Kitty Cat. What do you want? You can hear the relay. Let's take a look from afar again. We haven't really had this kind of like dark, half light compilation since like December of 2020. And I have barely any of those videos still on my phone. It's just really not a loud bell. What are you doing, Jack? The hell? Okay, well, as you can see, let's just have one more run. Maybe all we need here is, so yeah, that's all that's gonna happen for today. Bye, guys.